I'm doing it in the middle so it doesn't run me into the water.
Yeah.
Because it's like 3 inches tall. Oh.
Let him go.
No.
He wants to go so bad.
I know.
Let him jump it.
I will later. See, whenever we get to that, he slows down.
I've got the chills. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get her.
I keep sliding up. I don't want to hurt him. I'm not jumping that. This trot is so bumpy.
It looks like your bun's flopping. It's so bad. Oh my god.
Woo!
Oh my god.
No.
Pull this real quick. Giddy up.
Well, this is fun. Good practice. So I can trot on my horse. Like, I'm fine whenever she gallops. But trotting, I'm like, oh.
Alright, now canter.
Dinner. I don't know if I'll be able to control them though.
Yeah.
I'll try.
Challenge. Oh my god.
Is he galloping?
No, it's trotting really fast.
Wait.
Away from the water.
Ready?
Barrels.
Oh yeah! Oh no! I'm like sliding up and I don't want to hit him in the neck and hurt him. Ready? That's a good boy, Dad.